Guys, welcome back to another video, another education video, and today it's all about your power team. So, your power team usually consists of three elements. Number one is your mortgage broker, number two is your solicitor, and number three is your accountant. Now, to give you a brief description on each one and a breakdown for you guys at home. Your mortgage broker is super important because you have somebody who can find you the best deal that suits your circumstances. I always advise every single person to use a mortgage broker. I own a mortgage company. If you need any financing, there's a link below. Contact me and we'll see if we can help you. Secondly, a solicitor. Having a relationship with a solicitor is super important. They are the ones that do the conveyancing process and they are the ones that can deal with any problems that are encountered. And then thirdly, your accountant. So if you're flipping, if you're refinancing, if you're renting, they will advise you the best way to set up your accounts, whether it's a limited company, in your personal name. Completely important that you have a property accountant and not just your standard regular one, because a property accountant is the person that can advise you the best. There are other elements of a power team that are super important, and the further you go along in your journey, the more important these become. So, another one of your power team, which is super important, are deal sources. Now, I get sent so many deals a day by deal sources, agents, and other people in the industry, and that is how I find my properties to move forward. So getting a relationship with deal sources and having them in your power team is super important. Another part of your power team are contractors. My relationships with some builders are absolutely fantastic. Some relationships with other builders and contractors aren't so great. They are a key element to your power team. These guys can make or break your profit. So it's important that over the time that you are in property, you create great relationships with contractors. This massively helps people in the industry who stick to one area as well. Because if you've got an area where you have multiple good contractors, it's so much easier for you to manage from a distance or understand how it works by visiting the site regularly. So guys, make sure you pay attention to building relationships with contractors. Next up, guys, is your architect. Your architect is the person who will submit your planning applications, whether it's for development, as in extensions, building from the ground up, HMOs that are in Article 4 areas. Architects are fantastic. Along with architects comes your structural engineers. Now guys, again, these are super important because these are the people that will sign off any steels, any walls you want knocking down, or anything like that. They will give you the drawings so you have the regulations that means you can move forward with it. Very important that you build friendships with these. And I have great architects, I have great structural engineers, I have them spread throughout the country, but I have used them multiple times to build that relationship, because when there's a problem, they will fix it, but hopefully it's all done correctly at the start, so there's never, ever a problem. So there you have it, quick video on why a power team is important and what a power team consists of. Guys, another video will be out in a few days. Comment below what you want to see. These are short videos, super educational, and I actually want to know what you guys want so I can create the videos. Please smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't, turn on your notification bell because I will be dropping lots of videos randomly over the course of the next 3 months.